welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a pack with me in my new to me vintage Chanel weekender. So this is my first time actually really using it. I've used it just as a tote since I got it in. So I'm really excited to use this. I've completely cleared it out. And if you've seen my pack with me before, when it comes to a personal item, I intend on using it the exact same way. I typically pack the same because it just works for me. If you're interested in this bag and you want more details on it, I have two videos up. One is the first impression / it's not an unboxing video, but it's like all about the bag. And then the second is actually a comparison to the Keep All, Louis Vuitton Keep All. So that way it's a side-by-side comparison. Y'all can see like how different things work. But yeah, we're gonna pack this for my trip. So I am going on a 1-week trip. Here's what my desk currently looks like. So I just have everything thrown out here that we're gonna put inside the bag, but I'm leaving pretty much for 5 to 6 days. If you're new to my channel, I am a complete carry-on only packer. So you will see this bag stuffed as well as my suitcase. I'll share what that looks like. I have my Delsey luggage right here. So I'll be using my Delsey luggage and this, and that's it. And so all my clothes are in here. I'm gonna put my straightener and my curling iron here in the morning. I leave tomorrow. Everything else is gonna go in here, potentially. So we'll see. I'm switching up SLGs. I'm slipping out exactly what I wanna use, but let's go with what I know for sure and we'll go from there. So let's start with my glasses. So this is simple. So I have a organizer in here. This is for a Rive Gauche tote from Saint Laurent. So this is actually comparable to the Rive Gauche tote when it comes to size for reference, but it's not like it's a pretty good fit. It's probably slightly larger, which is why you see it coming in, but honestly it works fine and it helps keep the shape of the bag. So that works for me. So what we're gonna do is I have my sunglasses in their case. And so we're gonna pack that on the side. And then I also have my reading glasses in their case as well. And we're gonna do the same thing. So sunglasses, reading glasses, and I'm opening these more so to ensure that they're in there because I have packed a sunglasses case before and forgot my sunglasses and went to go buy some new ones. So I always wanna make sure that I have them. Okay, so the two glasses are on the side. Next up, I want to put what's heavier and larger. So this is my toiletry bag. So I have all of my makeup in, actually I lied, my makeup is also in there. So I have all my makeup in a Chanel holiday-like case. I just threw it all in one, that like the first one I could find. And so this is hair products, face products, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, brush, little odds and ends, different things like that. Face cleanser, pretty much just all my travel size stuff. So that's all in here. So let's close this up and then I'll put my niece mini at the bottom. And we're actually gonna put it over here. So I won't need to get inside of that until I unpack. So this is going towards the side where the zipper is because I don't immediately need to grab it and I wanna put things over here that I might wanna immediately grab. So this goes over here. I won't need these really either, so they're on the side. So anything that's kind of like low priority for me to get into when I'm traveling, I throw on the side. So we have that. This is my niece Nano, and so it currently just lives over here and I keep my prescription in it. When I'm traveling, I also have any backup SLGs that I'm using. So if I'm bringing like an extra card holder, key holder, anything like that, that'll go in here. Right now I have my Apple Watch in here, an extra Apple Watch band, a lip balm. Well, here, take that out. That's for when I'm at my desk and I just need lip balm, and then jewelry. So this is gonna go on my nightstand whenever I'm at the hotel. So anything that like I need to keep on my nightstand, I'll put in here. I used to put chargers in here, but now I have way too many since this is a work trip. So right now this is little just odds and ends, and that's pretty much how I describe it. It's like the catch-all for everything else. So we have that. So we'll close this up and then this will go in. Now we'll put it down here, but we'll figure out if we want to keep it there. So there's those two. Next I have my Empreinte key holder. So I decided to not bring, I just threw them in here for now, so here's inside my desk. I'm not bringing my main wallet. I'm not bringing my monogram key holder. I don't need it. Or my key pouch or my key holder. I'm gonna have a rental car, but actually I am gonna have a rental car. Maybe I should bring another one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna bring another one of these. So let's actually put that, and this is why I'm happy I do these videos. So this is what I was saying with when I need an extra, bring an extra SLG, I'll put it in here. So I'm gonna bring this and I'm gonna keep the rental car key inside of it when I'm traveling. For now, this one's gonna hold my AirPods and we're gonna hook it on my bag. So let's put this in. So I'm just gonna tuck this in at the back and then I'll grab it when I need it. And for now, we're just gonna put this back where it was. And then I'm going to put my key pouch on this chain. I'm gonna hook it so that way it's easier to grab so I can take my AirPods in and out. And so this is really hard to do one-handed, but we're gonna put this on here. We're gonna add in the AirPods. And then usually in the morning, I'll throw my ID and then whatever card I'm using for like water or something at the airport inside of this. And that way everything's easy to grab that I need at the airport. And so I can keep it outside if I want. I prefer to tuck things in, so I still have that option, which is why I put it there. So I can easily go in and out and grab that. So we have that. All right, so next up, I was gonna use my Chanel cosmetic pouch for a million different things, and I just kept using these cosmetic ones. So I was gonna put all of my chargers and stuff in this one, and I still might, I don't know. So what I like about this new one from this year, from the gift sets, is that it fits my iPad mini perfectly. So it also fit my Kindle, and then it fits all the chargers, and then my large ass mouse. So like, for example, I can put all of this in here, and yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one over here instead of this one, although I think this fits it too. No, that would take up too much space. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this just to store everything, because I also need to put my bulky laptop charger in here too, now that I'm thinking about it. This is a backup battery that we're actually gonna move to here in case I need it while traveling. Actually, we're gonna put it in my purse. So let's put this to the side for now. Let me see if there's anything else I need to take out of here. Don't need this mouse since I'm bringing my real one. So yeah, that will be everything in here. And so I'll just add my laptop charger over here. But this will be all of my tech and chargers. So we're gonna close this up, and then this will also go at the bottom. So part of me wants to put it in my suitcase so I don't have to carry it, because it's actually pretty heavy on its own. I don't know, but if I do that, then I don't want to put my iPad in my suitcase. So then I would take that out, and then I might as well just use this one. So these are the questions, and this is a real pack with me, because this is me actually going through every thought process that I have when it comes to packing. Let's see, what do I want to do? I think we'll do that. Let's take this out, and I'll use this. But I do like the idea that the iPad mini actually fits in here. Okay, so I put my bulky laptop charger and everything in here. So this is completely filled. I also decided to go with this one because that way I can just keep it in my bag and it matches my bag. Not that it's just me, I like matching things. So we're gonna put this here. It's also an easier size than this one. This one is pretty large, so this actually works out probably a lot better. So we have that there, although it's not really a priority. I think maybe I could just toss it here. Actually, I don't know if I need anything high priority in here now that I think about it, but let's do this for now. So chargers, odds and ends, cosmetics. Here's my iPad mini. So let's put this on the side, because I probably won't need this. We'll see. I prefer using my iPad over my laptop. We have that. The charger I said we'll put in my purse. So let's grab my bag now. So for the trip itself, I'm bringing my Strathberry, and I like this because I can dress it up or down, and then it has a crossbody option too, which is also really nice. Oh, I need to find that now that I think about it and bring it. And then that crossbody option I'll actually put in here too. Again, just odds and ends. So what I love about this too is that it'll fit my Kindle and my iPad mini if I want to take it on the go. But in here I have my card holder. So this has my main credit cards, my ID. I have my PM agenda, which is my travel agenda. As of right now, I have my key. I have this now backup charger. And then I have this Chanel case, which is my everyday case. Like, this goes in every bag with me. And this is like my little catch-all for everything that I need. And so there's Tylenol, what else is this? Tylenol, purse spray, a mirror, lip balm, and lip gloss in here. And there's hair ties and bobby pins. So just random things that you might need while you travel or just throughout the day. So all that's in here. And so I'm not going to take my purse out. I want to throw that out there when I'm at the airport, since I'm traveling alone. But this is nice because since this is a piece of luggage, right? Once I arrive, I can take my purse out and then have everything that I need and ready to go in my purse. And then keep this in my trunk or drop it off at the hotel if I need to like go run out. So I always like to keep a bag inside of my bag, but that way it's airport compliant, right? Because you can only bring a personal item and a carry-on, and then it's ready to go too. So everything's set up. So bag's ready, so I'll put that on top. Other than that, I need to bring a few other things, and I think this is set up. So I have this pouch from my monogram, not my monogram agenda, my monogram Neverfull, and this just has pens, whiteout, highlighters, and so this is gonna go back here, so I can easily grab it. We have my Kindle, which I'll be reading. I think it fits in one of these side pockets. Let's see. Yeah, so it fits perfectly in one of these side pockets. So for now, I'm just gonna put it here. And then I have my medium ring agenda, which I will be traveling with. So this is just gonna go somewhere else too. And I think that's everything that I need to fit in this bag. Yeah, so I think I've taken everything else out. So, oh, I need to pack my mouse. I'll grab that in a second. So for now, let's see how I want to do this. So if I put this up here, I can put this here and then have the purse kind of like this. So let me move some things around and I'll show you. So we're experimenting with what closes. So, all right, so iPad mini, planner, Kindle, and we'll close this up. And it's perfect. So then back here, so now I'll just add my laptop. And let's see how this looks. So have that. All right, and then that actually closes. So that's actually perfect. I probably won't close it though, just because that'll be like really inconvenient to open and close. But the purpose of this video, I wanted to show how it would look. So let's throw this on top of here. And yeah, it is packed and ready for my trip. So other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.